Hi everyone, this is Movie Boy Meister here, and I'm going to do a soundbar, a review on the video called, this is the video that's going to be called, iLive SoundBar Wall Mount Soundbar that's Bluetooth. As you see, there's the instructions for the wall mount, there's the manual and stuff. Here's what the soundbar looks like. This is optical. Can wirelessly play music that you can have. Perfect for any TV. You can have RCA Studio in there, which I think it's a aux cable, optical cable in there, and you can have line in. I'm going to show you what the Bluetooth is. And I'm going to show you how it sounds like in Bluetooth.
Bluetooth.
And it's blue for Bluetooth.
Bluetooth connected.
I'm going to show you all what it sounds like on Bluetooth. So, this is a video of GTA 2 Double Busted. I don't know if you can hear the sound, but that's how it sounds on Bluetooth. And I'm going to show you how it sounds like an optical. I'll show the other two in just a minute.
Optical in.
This is optical in, so I'm going to show you what it sounds like an optical cable. And that's how it sounds like an optical. And there's also a little volume thing. You can turn the volume up. You can have a music, movie, or dialogue. For me, I like to put it on movie. You turn it up, it gets more louder. So, what? So, take a hear of this. This is on optical cable. Right there it says yellow for optical cable. Yes, that's my lights right there. All my lights I hung up in this room. So that's how it sounds like louder on optical cable. So I'm going to show you what line in is for green.
Line in.
That one's line in, that's green. We know that Bluetooth is blue. The optical cable is yellow. And for aux,
auxiliary.
So auxiliary, this is the gray one, but I'd rather have mine on optical cable, so put it back on optical.
Optical in.
So this is a pretty good soundbar. This is a wall mount soundbar. I actually hung this on the wall. Right there it is. You can see it's iLive or live, whatever you want to say, whatever you want to call it. That's what it is. I don't know if you can. Probably can't see it. But there's screws right there. It's keeping the wall mount soundbar up. And no, I probably can't get a better angle. I can't even see. But there's the screw. That's where it goes. That's where it goes right there. That's actually the wall mount things here. The screws are like over there, so that's why now I think about it now. But that's how it's supposed to be, like that. So so far this soundbar is actually pretty good. Got it on my birthday. My recent birthday present for this year. So yep, that's my review on the iLive where I live, SoundBar. So, yep, that's it for the video. I hope you all liked my SoundBar review, and I'll see you all later on Movie Boy Master's channel. So, yeah.